Welcome back once again. Let's continue with the DHCP configuration. Here you see there is an option, scope options of every scope you created, and there is one server options there. So scope options, you can see if you create a scope, if you create a scope. So if you have 10 scopes, you see 10 scope options. So all the scope options are actually the same. So what is inside the scope options? There you see the number is listed like 2 3 4 5 6. I mean, those are the settings. Like third one is router. You can enter the router ID IP for this particular scope. So whenever someone asking an IP address for the scope, it will give the IP address and including all the settings in the scope options. If you want to change it, you can change the router IP, DNS servers IP, and other settings through scope options. And these scope options are particularly for that scope only. Sometimes you have a DNS server for 3 scopes. I mean, you have a single DNS server for all the 3 scopes. So you don't have to configure for every scope. You just go to server options and create a DNS server IP. So that will be okay for them. So let's move on to the filter section. There you can see allow and deny. That means the devices you can filter out by not giving IP address or by giving the IP address. For example, if you are allowing a particular PC, just add their MAC address, and give a name. Then only those devices are added. If you want to deny, just type all the MAC address to deny, and that particular device won't get the IP address from the DHCP scope. Yeah. You can easily add it if you have like A B C D and etc etc. I mean all the four digits are same. You have all the devices starting with A B C D. You need to deny, just put the asterisk sign. It will be okay. It will be in the deny section. So if you wanted to move to filter allow, it will get allowed. So here we can add it. For example, in my opinion, you just go ahead with giving all the IP address to the DHCP server. I mean, all the clients should get the IP address. So when you click address list, you could see all the devices listed there. Just go and right click it and after the filters, then those devices get filtered out. That's the easy method by rather than going and finding the MAC addresses. This is a way you can filter it out, and also you can change the scope details by giving the name or the starting IP and ending IP. Anyway, that's the end of the video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel.